Hey guys, it's StepMania Helper, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a common issue that people experience where they receive a DLL error when they try to run StepMania on Windows 10. Most commonly, this refers to d3dx943.dll, or in some cases, xinput13.dll, and it looks a little something like this. A lot of people try to fix this issue by downloading and installing the DLL files individually, but I wouldn't recommend doing it this way, as the files that you get may or may not be the correct version for your particular Windows installation, or there may be other files that you need that you're also lacking, and this can cause compatibility issues or in some cases simply not work. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the correct way to fix this issue, which is to install the DirectX June 2010 redistributable from Microsoft. Now, for some reason, Microsoft don't actually make this file available for download anymore, but fortunately it is still available through the Internet Archive, and I have a link to where you can download this in the video description. Installing this package is a bit of a complicated process, which is why I'm making this video. To begin, start by creating a new folder. It doesn't matter what you call this or where you put it, because you'll be deleting it after the installation is complete. Now go to the package that you downloaded, which should be called DirectX June 2010 redistributable. Note that this isn't actually the installer, but rather it will extract the installer into the folder that you choose. So go to the new folder that you created and choose OK. Now go to the folder, scroll down to where you see DX Setup and run this. This is the actual installer. Now that the installation is complete, you can delete the folder that you created, and when you go to run StepMania, it should work just fine. If you found this video helpful, then please leave a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.